Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Mullvad and CyberGhost. So to get started with a quick overview, Mullvad is a privacy first VPN that stands out for its extreme anonymity approach, no email required, no user data stored, and a strict no log policy. It's ideal for security purists and those who want to stay truly anonymous online. Then talking about CyberGhost on the other side, offer a more mainstream experience with streaming friendly features, user-friendly apps, and a large server network but without the same transparency or anonymity as Mullvad. I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for. So talking about Mullvad, this platform is best for hardcore privacy advocate, activist, and tech-savvy user. Then on the other side, the CyberGhost is best for streaming, casual users, and beginner who valued convenience. And here's the downside about these two platforms. So talking about the Mullvad downside, no free plan or free trial, not optimized for Netflix or dedicated for streaming. Then on the other side, for the weakness of the CyberGhost, it is not open source or fully audited, and sometimes collected some operation log, not user log. And here's the overall conclusion. So choose Mullvad if your top priority is uncompromising privacy, anonymity, and open source trust. On the other side, choose the CyberGhost if you want ease of use, streaming support, and a wide server network with a great performance. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.